Alright guys, welcome to the Pinetree line. My name is Doug. Got a new canoe. It's kind of what I always wanted to do, was move from what I had before, which was a Scott 16-foot Prospector, which weighed about between 70 and 80 pounds, to a lightweight canoe. So the Souris River Quintico 16 is what I bought. It's 42 pounds, 16 feet 2 inches. It's a little bit flatter hull design, so it's not as tippy as a Prospector would be. This is a little more stable in the water, which is going to be good for me and Storm. I'm trying to see how that works out today. I've already paddled the boat once, so I'm going to paddle it again today, get Storm in there and see how she makes out in the boat. But either way, a stable boat's better for me because of, you know, I'm not a hugely experienced paddler, so I think that that'll be a lot better for me. So pretty excited about it. I'm pretty excited about the fact that it weighs 42 pounds, and I've been getting on and off the truck pretty easily, which is a big deal. I'm here with Mark. He's actually training his new dog Riley in the canoe. They're going camping for the night. Unfortunately, I can't go camping tonight, but I can get on the water and give this a go, and hopefully Storm does well. I'd like to take her on future camping trips that we'd be using the canoe to get to the location, as opposed to the last time, which we car camped. So we'll see how that all works out today. I'm pretty excited to be here, and it's always nice to get out in the water in Northern Ontario.
Yeah, you go get her. Good boy.
Love how he whimpers.
Yeah, he's a little sucky baby. But he's so playful. He wants to play, and he whimpers because he just gets so excited. He wants to play.
Like any other dog.
Yeah. Okay.
Sit. Guess not, eh? Storm's got her life jacket on. Sit down. No. Sit. Of course, she's got to move from one side to the other. Sit down, Storm. Look at Riley, he's sitting there. Sit down.
Riley won't take his eyes off and
Hey, Riley. Good boy. Okay, sit down. Be a good girl. Sit. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl. Stay there. Stay there. Stay. Good dog. Show everybody how good you are. Alright, there's Storm. Finally sitting down. Yeah, we're quite a ways away from shore, which means if Storm decided to dump us, we'd be in trouble. We're doing some serious swimming. I'm gonna head back. All I'm doing is kind of seeing where she's at with this. Storm just turned 4 a few days ago, actually, and I should have probably got her started earlier, but I didn't have a canoe, so I couldn't really do that. And ultimately, I think she was 2 when I first got my Scott Prospector canoe, my red canoe, and brought her in a couple times, and I mean, she was more interested in water bugs and stuff like that, as you expect from a young pup. Being a little bit older now, I thought maybe she'd be a little bit more, you know, inclined to just relax, but she's still got a lot of pep in her step. And although it is more stable with the dog going back and forth, that's a little different situation. And the Storm moved again. I think she wants to get out. Storm's not a huge fan. All right, Stormy. I'll let her get out. All right. Let's see what she does. Because I'm going to take off again. Storm. Yeah, she doesn't like when I go, but she doesn't want to stay in the boat. I'm coming back. Where are you going? You want it out. You want to come back in? Come on. Come on in. Jump in. Jump in. Right. Come in. No, eh? Well, I'm not so sure. Come here. Okay, come in. Come in. Jump in. You're just not a canoe dog, I don't think. Mark seems to be doing better with his pup, but I mean, he's really young. Only months old, so I'm not shocked that Storm's not really into it. There you go. Now what are you gonna do? You gonna swim after me? Come on, get in. Get in. Storm. Come on. She wanted to get out so bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All she did was stand there. She'd sit for like 2 seconds, then move from one side of the canoe to the other.
So when you went out in the deep, further out in the deep, did she try to jump out at all?
No, she didn't try to jump out, but she's just standing there. I feel like if she didn't have her life jacket on, she may have. There's my dog, who'd rather be with Mark than me. Wants to see Riley.
Everybody wants to be with me. Let's put this away. Hi, Storm.
Come on.
Hi, Storm.
I think Storm likes to swim more than being in the canoe. Come on, baby. Come on. Same tricks, eh? You got the same tricks.
She's a good, strong swimmer. That's always a good thing.
Yeah, well, you have to be when you don't want to be in the canoe. All right, get on shore. Good girl. Good girl. Watch you don't get hit. Good girl. Oh, yeah, roll around the mud. Oh, yeah. Well, you're having fun anyways. Oh my goodness. Shake it off. Okay, come on, try to come back in. Come back in. In here. In the boat. Come in here. Over here. Come on. Storm. Storm. Come in. Come on. Get in. Well, okay. Yeah. All right then, you know. And look who I have. Like, you could get in the boat and enjoy the ride, Storm. Turkey. Right on cue, there's Storm. Swimming out. Go in, Storm. What are you doing? Come on. Yeah. Visit Riley on the way by. You like being on land or what? Well, you don't know until you find out, right?
Nope, you don't.
She's heavy, man. When she goes to one side of the canoe, holy, like.
That is one of the big reasons why I didn't want another lab.
It's all packed up and ready to head back. It was a good try. I did want to paddle a little bit more, but you know, getting a feel more for the canoe, and the next time out, I'll of course be alone, and I'll have a lot of time to paddle the boat. But anyways, it's a great boat. Highly recommend it. I think it's a good investment for me, and yeah, I'm liking it a lot. Time for Storm and I to head back home, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.